Hey everyone, Tristan here, and today I'll be showing you how you make a fire in 5 minutes. Let's go.
All right, let's get started. So I'm putting my fire in this nice little spot I made in my fire pit. It's always good to put your fire in a responsible place. And for the materials, you're going to want some matches, some nice dry leaves, and just some small little bits of wood. I'm just using some old wood I found in my garage. Make sure everything's dry, because that'll make it a lot easier on you. If it's not dry, then your fire probably won't start. All right, anyway, yeah, I'm just going here and I'm making a teepee. I always find teepees work best for me. Sometimes they're a little bit tricky. I knock stuff over, but most of the time there you go, I just knocked something over there. But most of the time they work pretty well, and I'm just making a little teepee for myself that I can put those dry leaves in. So yeah, here we go with the leaves. I'm just going to go ahead and put them right in there. Just kind of stuff them in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take a match, and I'm just going to hold that under there until those leaves light on fire. So I've gotten the wood lit on fire there, and now I'm just going to take some more wood and cover that entrance where I put the leaves in, so I can keep the heat inside that teepee and it will start to light more of the pieces of wood. Okay, so I thought I could break this piece of wood, and I could not. I underestimated it. I thought it would be easy. So instead I just take this other piece of wood and I put it on over there. So we have the fire and it's burning really nicely now. So I'm just going here and I'm just throwing on a couple more pieces of wood to keep it going. You just want to keep feeding this fire. So you might be wondering, what happened to the beautiful fire I just had? Well, let me tell you this. I put a giant log on top of the fire, and it crushed it. I don't know what I was expecting, but don't do this. It's not smart. It will destroy the fire. You have to make sure, you have to add to this fire slowly. I did not. I just took this massive log and I just chucked it on top. Wow. It wasn't even that big of a log either. It's just like a branch. And I just chucked it on top and destroyed the fire. Anyway, don't do this. Make sure you add to the fire slowly if you want your fire to survive, because this is not good. So there was a ton of background noise while I was recording my outro. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm saying here. I'm saying subscribe and hit that like button. That I'm going to be posting weekly, if not multiple times a week, or trying to. And stay tuned. I think that's all I was saying. I think that's basically it. I look pretty happy, so I'm probably saying goodbye now. It looks like the video ended. Wow. All right, everyone, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe.